Hi, today we are going to learn about geometrical patterns. Yeah, geometrical patterns. You all know what are geometrical shapes, right? Square, triangle, rectangle, more, okay? So, how to make patterns with geometrical shapes? That's the subject today, geometrical patterns. It's very simple, okay? Let's start with I'll start from a corner here. I'm going to start with a semicircle like this. I'm going to overlap little bit of a semicircle with a triangle. Yes. Now I'm going to do one more here. A rectangle. Now let us say let's overlap this with a square. Yes. Now that's just the same way. Keep on overlapping some random geometrical shapes. This is how you do overlapping geometrical shapes, okay? This half rhombus. Keep on overlapping any random geometrical shapes you like, okay? Not only this, whatever geometrical shape you want to draw, you can draw, okay? Same way. So completely fill your paper with all these geometrical shapes. That's how you form a pattern with a geometrical shapes. A random pattern, not an exactly what's the pattern you're looking at. So we are clubbing all the geometrical shapes together to form a design kind of thing, okay? That's how you do a geometrical pattern design. Not only this, you can try different kind of things. You can try more different geometrical patterns. You can add more different shapes rather than this, okay? This is an example of forming all the geometrical shapes together. It's very simple, right? Is it easy? Yes. Now we have to color this. How do we have to color this? Today we are gonna learn a different kinds of coloring, okay? That's what we have drawn this for. to learn a different kinds of coloring. Simply when we color, what we do, we just fill all the colors, plain colors we fill it, right? So instead of filling plain colors, today we're going to learn about lighting and shading. What is lighting and what is shading of a color? I'm going to show you something. Can you see this? Yes. Yeah. Can you see? I have colored some colors here. The original color is this. This is the actual red color and this is the actual yellow color. Yes. So by keep on adding white to the red color, it became light. Can you see? The red has become gradually light towards the end and it has become little bit whitish. If you keep on adding more white, it will completely become white. Okay. And when I keep on adding black here towards this side, it became black. Okay. If I keep on adding more black to the red, it will, the end of the color will be the black. Okay. So every color has this thing. Okay. These all are red. Everything from here to here, everything is red. Okay. But different stages of red means if I add little bit white here to the red, it become little pink kind of. Okay. More white, little red. More white, little red. More white, little red. Means have keep on added more and more white to the red as I go this side. Okay. That becomes tint. So if this is called tint. If you keep on adding it white to any color, it's called tint, means lighting. If you keep on adding black to a color, it is called shade. Okay. So these are called tint and shade. That's how called in the art terms. In the general terms, it's called lighting and shading. When in the art terms, it is called tint. When you add a white to a color, it is tint. When you add a black to the color, it is shade. This is the same thing with it goes with the yellow. This is a actual yellow color here in the center. Then I keep on adding white to it. First more yellow, less white. Then yellow and white equally. Then less yellow, more white. Then less yellow, more white. Less yellow, more white. So I keep on adding yellow, white to the yellow. It became white, light. That's called tint of the yellow color. And keep on adding black to it. It's called shade. Tint and shade. That's how the colors change their intensity by keep on adding white and red to it. These are all yellow, these are all red. Okay, there is no doubt of it. But at a point it will become black, and here at a point it will become white. I will show you how to do this. Okay. Now I have taken blue, white and black. Now I'm going to start with here blue color coloring. This is blue, light blue. Okay. Now the same way I'm going to color here also blue in the next box. Now I'm going to add white to that. See how I'm adding white to that. Just blend the colors together. Okay. As you see, you can see we have to blend the colors together. Can you see? The blue has become white, light. Now I'm going to do again this blue here, but not as dark as this. Okay. I'm going to make the blue a little lighter here. I will show you. Can you see? I've did blue light, not as dark as this. Now again I'm going to add white in this. Means I'm decreasing the quantity of blue and increasing the quantity of yellow. White, sorry. I'm increasing the, see, can be more light. Now I'm gonna lighten the blue more. The intensity of the blue, I'll make it more light. Now I'm gonna increase more white here. That's how, can you see, it has become slowly light. I'm gonna do it more lighter here. More light. Again I'm gonna add more white. Can you see how it became from blue to light blue? Yes. The same way I'm gonna do with the black. But with the black, what we did with the white, first we added blue, the original color, then we keep on adding white to that. But for the black, first you need to color black, not the color. First I'm gonna add black here, very light. Don't first itself, do not do the black very dark. Can you see how little black I have applied? Very little. Okay. Then I'm gonna add blue to that. Can you see it became little dark blue? Now I'm gonna add more blue here, more black here. See, again little more than what I have applied for the first. Okay. Now again blue. Now I have increased the quantity of black. It became little darker than this. Now again I'm going to increase more black. Can you see? It is becoming more darker and darker. Now more black. That's it. Okay, that's how you get tints and shades. The color you're adding white, it's called tint. For the color you're adding black, it's called shade. Okay, that's how tints and shades form. Even this is also called as monochromatic color. Okay, these are all blue, different shades of blue, different tints of blue. These are all yellow, different shades of yellow, different tints of yellow. These are all red, different shades of red, different tints of red. Okay, so I want you all to color this drawing in the form of tints. Do not use shades, in the form of tints. For example, I'm going to show you one. For this part, if you're taking 1, 2, like this, make two lines here, and if you're coloring this part blue here, now next, in the next here, add little white to it. Now again I'm gonna add blue here, again I'm gonna add white. Okay, that's how you have to color this entire drawing. Okay, if there is no any geometrical space, for example there is no geometrical space here, leave it white, no problem. Okay, here also no geometrical space, shape, leave it white. That will be the breathing space for the painting. Okay, I'm going to show you one more color. Red. When you get this kind of thing, you have to clean the color. Okay, clean your color first. Okay, so try this kind of coloring. Okay, thank you.